Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is windy day, right Rochelle?
Yeah.
It's windy day today. Look at my place right now. We have a big wave. And look, it's cloudy day, Rochelle?
Yeah, it is.
It is. Look at the view on that side.
It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful place.
Now stop.
No, but now it starts raining. Oh, oh,
That's why I told you stop.
oh! And this is the carrito
Mom?
of Rachel's father. Now we need to going back home. This is my place. It's low tide. Here, the rock formation. It's sunny day. Today is sunny day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sunny day. And then they have also here a hotel, and may mga walk-in na mga maliligo. We have a cottage, and this is the lake. These are connected from the sea. Konektado siya sa dagat. Yung water niya, look, ang labo ng tubig. So nung nakarang araw, mayroon siyang crocodile, maliit na crocodile. So nakakatakot kasi yung crocodile baka pumunta sa dagat, maraming naliligo, but hopefully hindi naman ganun. But this is relaxing place. Mayroon na rin mangilan-ngilang na nag-walking. Mamaya niyan, marami na maliligo. Actually, wala nang pulis ngayon para manita o manghuli ng mga naliligo dito. Kumbaga, tapos na, inalis na nila yung yung paghihigpit nila.